Cape buffalo. For many, it's ranked one of the most dangerous animals in Africa.
The primal killing rage in a buffalo is something so intense and that you stand no chance against it.
It may not have the jaws and claws of a lion, but it's undeniably a beast of immense physical power. When threatened, they've been known to trample or gore an opponent to death. In males, the crown of horns, known as a boss, forms fully at maturity. It packs a mean punch. Few people would be brave enough to approach a wild buffalo unarmed. And few predators will tackle one without backup. Buffalo may defend their herd members when attacked. So even a pride of lions might make a run for it. But it's this immense physical presence that has turned the Cape buffalo into a target.